Hello, today I will introduce this 220 volt model which can be used for 380 watts. First, it has multifunctional LED digital display. Set temperature, actual temperature, work power, water flow, working time, and constant temperature function adjusts temperature up to 15.5 degrees. Turn off the power key and touch the up key few seconds, then it can show you the inlet water temperature. Now it's 30 degrees. And then you can touch the up key few seconds, it will show you the water flow. Now it's 0.0 liter per minute. Then you can touch the up key and down key few seconds. You can adjust the power from 5 kW to 8 kW. Open the water and electric, you can see the inlet water temperature is 35 degrees and the water flow is 3.2 liter per minute. It will be very fast to raise the temperature from 35 degrees to 15.5 degrees. You can see the working time just need 18 seconds. Large power 12 kW. Multi-point water supply for bathroom shower and faucet. This model will use durable glass cover. It has the IPX4 waterproof degree. That's all. Thank you for your watching.